Happy Valentine's Day 14 halves with Baby Shark. Special workshop. I love my family. Valentine's Day isn't just for couples, it's also a perfect time for children to express their love for their families. That's why Baby Shark is hosting a special creative workshop I Love My Family, where little ones can make heartfelt greeting cards for their parents and grandparents. Fun and creative activities for kids. Creative paper crafting. Kids will explore colorful paper, glitter, and stickers to decorate their cards. Coloring and painting using crayons, watercolor, and markers to make unique and vibrant designs. Expressing love through words and art, learning to write or draw heartfelt messages for their loved ones. Why this workshop is so special. Develops fine motor skills, cutting, gluing, and coloring help improve hand coordination. Encourages emotional expression, teaching kids how to communicate love through words and pictures. Creates lasting family memories. A handmade card filled with love is the best gift ever. Let's spread love and creativity together at Baby Shark this Valentine's Day. Location, Baby Shark Preschool, T908 The Manhattan, Vinhomes Grand Park. Date, February 14th. Hotline, 02-6820-2.161. 2025 enrollment information. Accepting children from 12 months to 5 years old. Whale class, 12 to 24 months. Dolphin class, 24 to 36 months. Sharky class, 3 to 5 years. Exclusive offers for parents. Tuition fee now only $3,800,000 BND month. 30% tuition discount. 0% interest installment payment support. Classes from Monday to Saturday. 75% discount on facility fees. 2-day free trial class. Special welcome gifts. Receive a backpack, hat, and uniform when enrolling for 3, 6, or 12 months. After school services, shuttle bus, dinner provided. Register now to grab these amazing deals. Hashtag Valentine 2025, hashtag I love my family, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Creative Workshop, hashtag Wonderful Experience, hashtag Enrollment 20 to 5 hash. Dolphin Class, hashtag Whale Class, hashtag Bilingual, hashtag